So my presentation is on promoting the integration of the Earth observation and GNSS for sustainable marine environment and disaster early warning in ASEAN. So my presentation includes three parts. Part one is the implementation of the regional space plan action for 2018 and 2030. As you may be aware, that in 2018, ASCAP member states adopted one Asia-Pacific Plan Action on Space Applications for Sustainable Development 2018 to 2030. So this action plan is a country need driven. It's not driven by ASCAP Secretariat. This is a collective and also coordinated blueprint to harness the space technology applications to support the country, especially the countries with development country and countries demand for addressing these problems in the sustainable development. So under this 188 actions, there are 6 thematic areas, including disaster reduction, social development, energy, connectivities, natural resource management, and climate change. And also for the modalities, we have 3 areas. So first one is research and knowledge sharing, capacity building and technical support, and also intergovernmental discussion and the norm setting. So among this, capacity building and technical support is a priority request by the member states. So we also made a survey on the exact need and also the possible contributions from the member states. We have this made this analysis. We find that priorities of top 10 priorities, top 10 needs in the priority areas, they are the disaster reduction, health, and urban development. During the last year, during this COVID-19, this is really a big problem for not only the Asia Pacific region, but to all of the world. So we try to work with GSTA Thailand and LAPAN Indonesia and other member states to integrate the georeference data from the many areas such as health, medical service, logistics, and also this is the everyday, the supply chain. So to put them on one platform. Now we are also adding this vaccine information to develop this integrated geospatial information platform for supporting the decision making of the government on COVID-19 response and also follow-up to build back better. So I know that GSTA has a one air map, a very useful and important platform on COVID-19, and also Indonesia, they have their own and the LAPAN, Indonesia Space Agency. And ASCAP, we are trying to combine this all this relevant information together to provide some tailored system and platform for development country in this region, mainly focus on ASEAN. This is our knowledge sharing and also some training material, and also this is some operation handbooks and procedures related to this, how to use this EO and GNSS for disaster reduction and management. Recently, from last year, we worked with the government of Japan and also 4 pilot countries in ASEAN, namely Thailand, Indonesia, Vietnam, and Malaysia, to use this innovative technology to develop this one operational tools to monitor the plastic pollution from the river to the coastal area. So we combine this not only the Earth observation data, but also with the track of the garbage truck, the track of the garbage truck, and also there is a proposal to put some sensors in the river to check to detect the flow of the plastic pollution. All this information from the mobile phone, from satellite, from the drone, from the ground, from the time-lapse camera will be integrated in one platform. So we hope that the initial result will be by May this year in this 4 pilot city. In addition, UNESCAP is hosting this secretariat of the UNGDM Asia Pacific Regional Committee. So we are promoting the integrated geospatial information framework to work with member states to maximize the benefit of use of the integrated geospatial information for sustainable development. This is also UNESCAP's this is multi-donor trust fund for tsunami disaster and climate preparedness. This was established after this a big tsunami in 2004. Now the amount of the fund is 16 million. Among this, 10 million comes from the Thailand government. So for the next 2-3 years, there are 4 major pillars for this, this is a to mainstream science, technology, and innovation for disaster and climate risk management through the regional cooperation platform. Second part is that we are promoting this Space Plus for building back better. It's not the traditional way of the space applications only for the Earth observation, telecommunication, and also the navigation, positioning navigation. We understand that, we believe that the data has value. The value can be measured, but how to measure the value? We are promoting one common data format initiatives, projects in ASEAN countries, starting from 3 pilot cities in Thailand. Thailand is a Songkhla city. Other 2 in Indonesia is Makassar and Bandung, to put the data with location and time to tell what, where, and when, to allow this interoperation of the data from different sectors. This is something we are doing, and also we call it the Space Plus. Beyond this traditional applications of space technology, we try to plus, you can see the digital innovation like this big data, crowdsourcing, and also IoT, cloud computing, and also plus this, the private sector, which is most creative and innovative stakeholders, and also for this youth, the young people. We will also penetrate to the real end users. We enhance this, our partnership with different organizations and stakeholders. So this is our one data, one map, one platform. So we try to overlay all these different sectors data with this common data format on one satellite map, and also to generate this the real useful information for decision making by the government in the different area for the different purpose. We believe that geospatial data should be accessible, available, actionable, and affordable to benefit the people and inform practices, processes, and the policy. So this is our the part 3 is the expectation for the collaboration. I just highlight some actions and the 6 thematic area of the regional space plan action relate to this GNSS applications, from the disaster reduction, you can see the innovation, precision agricultural, and then to management of natural resources, connectivities, including this transport, and also for this, in UNESCAP, I see our colleague from the transport division is coming, so it's joining this meeting. They are promoting this smart transport system in the Asia Pacific region. And we have the social development, climate change. So we propose if we can, work together on develop the capacity of the member states to monitor the ground, air, and marine transport during this space application and other data and information. to integrate all this relevant information in one map and one platform. So we believe that we provide the ready fish is one solution, but we need to teach the country how to fish. This is we understand the capacity building. And then we provide this technical support of this using this integration of the geographic information system, GNSS, and communications for marine and maritime service. And also for, we are working with our cooperation partners also to like this ARTA, like the CSTAP in Dehradun, India, and also MGA, Multi GNSS Asia, to provide scholarship and financial support for the young professional officials from ASEAN to study this postgraduate course on remote sensing, GNSS in India, in Thailand, and in Japan. So this is we hope that we can go together to support more of them to learn more applications and skills. So when we talk about this, our trust fund of this tsunami and the climate risk, we propose one maritime sector strategy for this monitoring of the tsunami. We propose, we are working with stakeholders of the UNESCAP Sustainable Business Network, ESBN, to support one new initiative on use of the high accuracy of the GPS and GNSS data on ships to detect the wave height and also position of the tsunami. And also in addition, we propose to combine the sensor with the marine cable to measure the sea surface elevation and other potential disasters. So this is our some proposal for the collaboration. Yeah, thank you.